And we're back to learning Photoshop in here, day 329. Let me talk about the drawing symmetry. Some of these tools have that option, not all of them though. We create a new layer here for the brush where I want to draw on, and the brush tool definitely has it. It's right here at the top. A couple of presets inbuilt, the typical horizontal and vertical. And then if you activate the brush tool, you can see it mirrors what you draw. In this case, it creates two columns. But once again, you cannot draw, for example, here using the rectangle tool and then have it symmetrically displayed. Pencil tool also has it, the mixer brush tool doesn't. Let us stick to the brush and we go over a couple of these examples. Here's, for example, a wavy line, and this can create quite interesting results. Same goes for the spiral. And let's go back to vertical. You can also see this has a bounding box and you can basically transform it like rectangles in this case, or any other paths in Photoshop. So you can make that bigger, rotate it, increase the width, and you can also reposition that. Just left click on it and then drag it around. If the symmetry is outside of the canvas right here, it will then only be shown on one side. So I draw here on the right hand side and this will not be displayed as it's outside of the canvas. And if I even paint outside of the canvas, you can see this gets displayed on the right, or this gets mirrored there. You can also turn it off right there. And the idea is to create symmetrical drawing shapes. I wasn't very good here with the heart, but you can see it's at least symmetrical, so left and right side are the same. And this is the drawing symmetry in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.